So I decided to go check out local establishments in my area, right? So I went to a place called Tony's, what's it called? Tony's Tacos, right? It says Mexican and Italian Cantina. So I'm here with my main man, whatever your name is, Super K.
Yeah.
So here it is, the eggplant. I got the eggplant plancha, all right? Cost me $5 right there as some change. But you know, New York they tax you to death here. So let's see what we got here. Okay. I'm liking what I'm seeing, Tony. Here's the eggplant and skirt steak. Is the name of skirt steak? Let me see. Grilled skirt steak, marinated eggplant and parsley. All right. I want to see what's in that skirt steak. Yeah, it looks good though. Looks good on the outside. You even get a lime. Look at that, a piece of lime. All right, so they got some radishes. Look at this radish. No taste, but it's okay. Juicy. Let's see what this tastes like. All right. Never had an eggplant skirt steak taco before, but there's a first time for everything. Don't mind the haze, purple haze. No, the ISO exposure right here. That's so high. Just think about me and my damn just close this damn window. Lower the exposure as well. Now you can hear me better. All right, so yeah, my eggplant pancha. Smells alright. Smells like some grilled meat. Let's see what it tastes like. Okay. It's a little hard. Let me see what the meat tastes like by itself. Okay, so there's some Italian seasoning on top. They put some cilantro. The meat's a little hard. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not a liar. You know, I'm gonna say it like it is. Even though there were two beautiful girls, I'm just gonna say it like how it is. It's not bad. And so my friend got a mango drink. I'm gonna try it with the
mango juice.
The juice, is that real juice?
No, mango juice.
Mango juice, all right.
It's really good.
It says that it's organic.
No sugar added.
No sugar added. I may be sure to ask her, is there sugar added? Because I don't want any sugar, extra sugar, added sugar. I know mango has a lot of sugar, but does it have any added sugar?
No.
I don't want it. You know what I'm saying? All right, so as you may know or may not know, I love eggplant. Okay, and my favorite fruit or vegetable, whatever they call it.
Damn.
That's what I mean. So the meat is a little tough, but nothing your teeth can't handle. There we go. So, like they say, might as well just eat it all out. Right?
Yep.
Gotta eat it all out.
Yep.
So, alright, so far, even though the meat is a little hard, I would still buy it again.
Yeah.
Because I got the flavor of the meat.
They know how to make, you know.
And, you know, I love meat. I'm a meat guy. I'm no damn vegetarian.
Nope.
Like my person I live with. But I love the meat. Okay, I'm all about the meat. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 mm. Good. Look, you see, I haven't shaved.
You know,
I'm shaving in a while, like you said. I was gonna make this video my first 4K video
what?
because I could record 4K on the phone, but because I haven't shaved or nothing, I don't want to look too scary for you guys in Ultra HD. Okay.
Yeah.
It's pretty good. I don't want to go huffing and puffing after this. I need some soft meat. So, you guys, Tony Taco, these to just soften up the meat a little bit. Don't overcook it. It's a little too hard. Other than that, on a scale of 1 to 5, I give the eggplant plancha. I give it a 3.5. It's pretty good. I would buy it again, even though I give it a 3.5. I would buy it again. Really, I would. Hopefully next time they'll make it a little softer. All right. I mean, it's a good recipe. Thank you, my son. He's not my son. Let me take some of these radishes. Want to try radish?
No, I'm alright.
No. How about a lemon? Want to eat a lemon?
Nah.
Let me pour some lemon into my mouth. That was awkward. I should have put more in the taco. It's not bad. I gotta come here again, you know?
Yeah.
I'm gonna come and get the same thing again. 2 of them, actually.
Well, at least we got the menu.
I got the menu right here, obviously. They should have given this stuff for free, actually, because I'm doing them a favor, pushing the word out. Okay. I never heard of this place before. 20 tacos. Never heard of it, right?
Yeah.
Well, they gave me some much-needed paper towels, because I hear that paper towels are scarce right now. You know, it's scarce right now.
Yeah.
Put it in the glove compartment. I'm loving it. I'm not even at McDonald's. Hopefully I can make this video in 1 take. So that's my, I don't want to say dilemma. That's my ordeal right now. The taco. I felt like eating some tacos, so I had some tacos. All right. So right back at you. And I'll see you guys next time. All right. Peace out. All right. Save some electricity.